Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Coinmama account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to coinmama.com. Now, click on Sign Up button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you need to type in your email address. After that, you need to verify here. After the verification, click on Create Account. Now, a verification code will be sent in your email. Check your email address. Now, type in the 6-digit login code and paste it here. As you can see that my account has been created. So that is how you can create an account in Coinmama. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.